Daniel Tiger, Neighborhood Cleanup. Hi, neighbor. It's me, Daniel Tiger. Katarina and I are going to the playground today. Trolley, please take us to the playground. Oh no, the playground is a big mess. King Friday asks the neighbors to work together to help clean up the playground. Clean up, pick up, put away, clean up, every day. Let's start cleaning. Oh, the owl tells me about recycling. That's turning something old, like trash, into something new. Let's make believe we're turning something old into something new. Cleaning up is fun when we all work together. Clean up, pick up, put away, clean up, every day. Now that we're finished, the playground looks terrific, and we can all play again. I'm glad you were here with me and my neighbors to help with the cleanup. It's such a good feeling when we all work together. Ugga mugga. The end.